Hello everyone, we're here in our kitchen, Kang Lelebet Kitchen. But my husband chose to cook for tonight our dinner. And then we have choice to eat pancake for tonight. That's my husband. He's handsome, right? Ooh, ganahan pud. Atik-atik, uy. So, pagkita ko sa inyo guys, yung aming dinner for tonight, pancake. Ay, ito yung choice namin sa dinner namin, pancake, kasi namimiss ko na yung pancake. Ako kasi yung nag-order niyan, tapos siyang nagawa, kasi ako ang taga-video, kasi ilagay ko ito sa kanyang YouTube channel. And then, we have a sausage, we have bacon, and then we have eggs. Mayroon naman kami ibang food, pero mas gusto ko kasi yung pancake. Oh, yun. Hindi kami food dyan, pero malapit na maubos. Kasi aalis naman ako eh. So, kunti lang ano niya. Wala na nga akong fish. I don't have fish anymore, honey. I have a 2 piece. The cod is only 2 piece. Okay? Oh, I forgot to eat my ice cream, honey.
Oh, no.
That's my... Sakay-sakay pong gatay. Okay, so we have this crunchy bread, fish. Oh, we have fish fillets. Why you don't tell me that?
I told you we had all that stuff.
You did? I'm sorry. Okay, and then we have sheep. Naglambing kasi ako sa darling ko na I want to eat pancake tonight.
Get chocolate chip. You should
So,
up in the baking.
which one? Bacon? Here?
Yeah, just about eye level. There should be chocolate chip things in there.
I can't see here.
There should be there.
Nothing. I can't. I can't see here, honey. Which one? Where? Ito yung aming pantry.
Oh, we had them over here.
I know. Oh, so.
I think Dude ate them all.
I think.
I don't see any.
I saw that. Oh, when you bought this, babe, I
A
didn't
long
see
time
it.
ago.
Oh.
We've had it for a while.
Oh, yeah?
And no chocolate chips. We're out.
Okay, then
Mac
forget
ate all
it.
chocolate chips.
So, tomorrow I will make this.
Okay.
Chocolate cheese chips. I was so here before. Here we go. Andito na yung ating darling na nagluluto ng aming bacon, sausage, Italian sausage. And then, magluto din siya ng ito kasi pang almusal na ito. Pero choice talaga namin na kakain kami ng pancake for tonight. So, magpapaiba na naman kami kasi kapon spaghetti. Tapos, nung nakaraan, naglugaw kami sa baw. Rice soup. Yesterday or the other day, right?
The other day.
Oh, and then,
2 days ago.
yeah, 2 days ago. So, ngayon na naman, kahapon kami, nag-spaghetti kami kahapon. So, ngayon naman, habang nag-upo kami sa habang nag-upo kami doon sa aming living room, nanood kami ng YouTube, nakita namin yung nagluluto ng pancake, sabay sabi ko sa kanya, sabay sabi ko sa kanya, oh, I miss to eat pancake, honey, also. So, we make a decision yesterday that we can make tonight. Right, honey? So, kasi sabi ko, miss na miss ko. Naglalambing lang ako sa kanya na magluto. So, ngayon, kasi medyo tamad ako, sabi ko, sino magluto ng dinner ngayon? Sabi niya, together daw, dalawa daw kami. Sabi ko, ay, ako lang ang taga-video. So, siya nagluluto. Madali lang naman yun. lalagay lang ganyan. Alam nyo guys, nagvi-video talaga ako. Nag-vlog, ibina-vlog ko ito para madagdagan yung content niya sa kanyang YouTube channel. Kasi yung YouTube channel niya, si YT, ayaw maniwala na maraming, anong tawag mo sa Tagalog na tumantak kilig, yung gusto, yung sa Tagalog, yung gusto manood sa niya, sa mga video niya, they're really watching to his video, but the YouTube, they don't believe it, that someone like to watching to your video, right, honey?
Right.
So,
This is ordinary people. People like ordinary people. They don't like movie stars.
oo, tapos
So,
ninakaw,
step up.
tapos ninakaw yung WH niya. So, do you know how much your WH? I already checked them. Just only 3,300.
We lost more.
Yes, I
So
told
they're
you. That's
retards.
why I make a decision to vlogging now, to vlog your food for tonight. That's why. So I play now.
Good. Oh, so we're on the Ameripino channel?
Yeah, in America.
Awesome. How many people are watching?
A lot. Limit your eggs, honey, just two, okay? Two for you, two for her, two for me.
Yes.
Musunod ba ni siya sa akong gusto kay abi nimo guys. Kuan mo gani siya good kanang diabetic. So kailangan may control sa food. Isa na rin ako, I am high blood.
All sugar, not food.
Taas siyang sugar tapos kailangan talaga na talaga siya. So susunod man siya sa akin sometimes.
Dude!
Sometimes na tingog ako kay tingog. What she said?
Should be here in a minute. Uh-oh. This one's not so good.
I think need more well.
Probably.
Enough, honey. Ipat ala. Laka. Yung gara po siya ana uyog-uyog. Oh.
You gotta get it cooking so it breaks free from the...
That's why I like that, honey. I like the pan. The pan is good.
It's
That
good,
pan, yeah. Hindi na ako ba-pronounce ang puan, ang letre. Halata kay kung Bisaya ko eh. Pero sa awad ng Diyos, no, makasabot na akong bana, tinuok ko.
Okay.
Gusto mag-isya mag-Bisaya ko, pero di lang siya makasabot. I mean, if I talk in English, honey, you can understand, right?
Most of the time.
Yeah. Sabot man siya. Na ako English kay mga grammar. Tapos mga pinunitan sa basura. I pick up from the dump.
The dump.
The garbage. Okay, so
Yes.
that's for her.
Mine.
That's yours.
Yeah.
Okay, so ito yung mga lalat.
Pancakes.
Ito na yung aming dinner for tonight, mga lalas. Can you pick up one this for her?
Well, whichever one. I don't care.
Oh, this is mine.
That's yours.
That's for her.
I thought I smelled eggs.
Yeah. Okay, kinuok ko. Oh, that's my stepdaughter. She's beautiful. She's awake, right?
Yeah.
She was from nap. Napagod yan siya sa school niya, mga lalabs. She's tired.
Here you go.
Galing sa eskwela. Magising kasi siya. Wake up early morning, like as 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. And then, yun, Just water, honey. Ayun, yun ang aming kainin for tonight. Yung eggs, fried egg and sausage and bacon and then pancake. Tapos yung pancake niya, doon niya tinuloy. Ayun o.
Look at that egg flip, huh? No spatula, nothing.
Oh, I didn't say that.
I just went, "Oop."
Oh, really?
Oh.
Are you chef?
I'm chef.
Oh.
I'm Chef Jeff.
Oh, Chef Jeff.
Oh, sticky.
Okay. My God. Buang.
Okay, 2 more you love.
Somewhere I love. Okay. Put it there, babe. That one, put it there.
Oh, it's all ready to plate
Put
up.
there. My God. Kanina ba siya, pag ayaw mo pagbigyan sa gusto niya, may Magbuang ba?
Get it right.
Gusto niya, siya, get it right. Ako ko daw sundon o sakto daw iyang pag
Okay.
pancake. Ayan na ang pancake niya, oh. Binaliktad na niya. Oh. Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
You did it.
Of course, that's always good on
Yeah, right? Chef
non-stick,
Jeff,
it's
right?
always good.
Hamburgero, no? Hamburgero. Uy! Congrats! Ako lang kang Gyototo dong ba? Oh. Gyototo lang din ako siya mga lalaki. Siya mga nagluto. Good. Ako maguling request. This is my request, babe, right? To make pancake, right? Yeah, gusto ko siya magluto para kakaong ko daghan. Okay. Oh, well. Oh, here the egg. Look at it. Egg. You do like that, like what you did earlier. Oh, you did that earlier, huh?
Sticky?
Sige daw.
Oh.
Hambog kaayo pero ako lang siya gisak-atik-atik lang.
Ready, babe?
Okay, yeah. So, now, mga lalabs, I gonna choose to original syrup for pancake. Ayan. Oh, pati yung mga eggs ko, nilalagyan ko ng syrup. Lahat siya nilalagyan ko na. So, ayan na yung ating dinner for tonight. Have a nice day.
Have a great day. We'll see you soon.
Okay. Because i-upload ko kasi ito sa niya sa kanyang YouTube channel, Ameripeno channel. Don't forget everyone to tangkiligin nyo yung YouTube channel ng asawa ko, ha? Mga lalabs. That's really good. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. This is our dinner for tonight. I hope you guys enjoy to watching our movie.
Our video.
Oh, I just joke, honey. Our video, and then please, if you're new to our channel, Ameripeno channel, please don't forget to subscribe and
Click the like button.
yeah, click a like button.
Pound
And
'em.
then okay, I let him to talk.
Subscribe. And if you want the recipe for tonight's pancakes, 2 cups of flour, 1 3/4 cups milk, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We use the real stuff. And instead of 4 ounces of butter, I used 4 ounces of cream cheese. I melted the cream cheese and put it into the batter. And that's all there is to it. Very simple and very delicious. We also added some apple pie seasoning just to give it some flavor. Thanks a lot, guys. Come back again. We'll see you soon.
Ako siya.